Welcome back to the 28-Day Challenge. Tai Chi for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to cover stepping and stances in Tai Chi. The first movement we make in Tai Chi is to shift our weight to one side and to lift the other foot up and over. The last lower body move we make is to shift our weight back and pull the leg in and down. We are shifting our weight from one side to the other side. When we do that, one leg becomes full of all of our weight. The other leg becomes empty. Full, solid, empty, floating, sinking, floating. When we're standing on one foot and tapping, this is the T stance. If we're stepping, and this is just the first motion, then it is the T step. We open into Wuji, 50-50 weight distribution. Wuji stance, ergonomic, neutral position. The tailbone sinks slightly, the knees softly bend, sinking, relaxing, creating this ergonomic structure that the relaxation of all of our body can settle into. Bottom part of our body heavy, top light as we float the head, straightening up the back slightly. If we continue this weight shifting, T stance, down, shifting, stepping, shifting, stepping, stepping out and down, shifting weight, pulling the leg in and down, we have side stepping. Stepping to the front, we still shift our weight, bring in the foot, and we can tap or we can go straight out with our heel. Roll down to the toe, shift our weight forward, and this is like we're walking on railroad tracks. Softly coming in like a cat walking. To step back is the exact opposite. We shift our weight back, sit back. This is the sit back stance if I'm standing on one leg. The cat stance if I'm standing on one leg. The T stance, and then stepping back equal with my hip, placing the ball of the foot, rolling down to the heel, shifting the weight back, sitting back. In, out, Wuji. When we use our hands in a form, we shift forward and we shift back and we turn and then we come up on the step. And that is catwalk 2. We just did catwalk 1. Catwalk 2 is we come in, out, shift forward, shift back, turn, up, in, out, forward, and back, turn. If I go back, shifting the weight back, it's always the same. Now, I don't have to tap all the time, either walking forward or back. I can just come in and go back. I can just come in and go out. I can shift back, come in, and go out. This way, I always bring my leg in, and I can tap if I need to, and come back to double weightedness if I need to, if I lose my balance. But I don't always have to. And I get a better workout, I get a better flow if I don't. We can step in any direction that is on the clock face. We can also turn. So if I open, shift my weight, come in and tap. If I want to go in this direction, then I place my foot going in this direction with the heel, but a little bit back, so that as I turn 90 degrees, turning this foot out, 60% of my weight on the front, 30% on the back. This is the bow arrow stance. And it can be shorter too. I've got long legs. The joints are open. The back leg is straight, but not straight. It's not locked. It is not locked. Upright. Tai Chi pull. Shifting my weight forward even more, I can pull my heel in. I can shift my weight to this foot. I can turn my toes in. I can come in, now I'm 90 degrees, 90-degree turn, step out, turn to the other side. Shifting forward, shifting back, turning, stepping, turning. These little 90-degree turns to get us in the direction that we want to go. That is Tai Chi stances and stepping. At least what you will need for this series, for this challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for sticking around and practicing with me.